I'm grateful for Esnir. It's so hard. It's so hard to put a smile on other people's faces and to hide what you're dealing with inside also. And grabe talaga yung joy that you bring this group Esnir. You don't know how much joy you bring to each and every one of us. I can't imagine being here without you, Esnir. Honestly. Grabe talaga. Ang boring siguro, honestly. But then, I'm so grateful that you make us all laugh, you make us all smile, and grabe yung utak mo. Grabe ang talino mo. For the past few days, wala kang no rest. Tuloy-tuloy. From the day na you had to do 9 characters, the next day, we had to shoot the performance, and that was all mostly you also, Esnir. Kaya sobrang grateful ako, and you're such a strong person, and it pains me to see you sad. It really does.